Hi there, I'm Brian Waller, President of the Technology Association of Iowa. Now more than ever, Iowa companies are seeing themselves as technology companies. With me today is Michael Ott, CEO of Rantizo. Michael, for those that don't know, what does Rantizo do?
Rantizo is a drone spraying company. We're based in Iowa City and we've got operations in about a dozen states. We use drones to apply for agriculture, and we just added sanitization as a service. Our drones fly autonomously, meaning that they fly themselves. We don't have someone piloting them and controlling them. And it's a pretty exciting time for automation in agriculture and in sanitization.
So how has technology and innovation propelled your company during this unique time of this pandemic?
So we sell drones, we capture recurring revenue. One of the things that we found is that we have a training process that works really well. It's about 2 days because our drones are very light. It's very easy to do, and everyone just comes into the office and it works really well. And when you can't do that, we had to figure out some strategies to get around there. So we actually developed a remote training process where we could do everything online and show people what it was, and that worked remarkably well. The way that we use technology to address this problem. We've also seen that since the pandemic happened, when you're an unmanned spraying company with solving labor problems, we've seen really nice uptake and interest in what we're selling as a product.
So what sort of positive change has come out of this unique time?
For us, it's really crystallized our business model. So we've always been focused on labor and agriculture because we found that was an issue everywhere, whether it's a corn grower in Iowa, a cannabis grower in Colorado, or a vineyard in Oregon. Everyone has labor problems. So we were designing to solve for that. With the pandemic, it's been exacerbated significantly, so our message is resonating very well. We also got contacted by a Major League Baseball team saying, hey, can you sanitize our stadium? And right away we're like, yeah, we can do that. And then, well, how actually do we do it? Like, I know technically I can do that. So we figured out what chemical to use, the legal needs in terms of contracts and regulatory. And then now we're setting that up as a business to do stadiums, arenas, warehouses, public parks. It's a really nice opportunity for us that we're able to take what we've got and add it on as a service. So we want to be sure that people know we aren't pivoting away from agriculture. We're just adding this in as something extra that we can do.
That's super interesting. Are you allowed to say the Major League Baseball team?
Not yet. We are very close to closing a deal, and we've now been contacted by all 4 major sports. We just had our first NBA team yesterday, so we had a call with them at 11 o'clock, and I'm excited to see what that is. So it's kind of fun just to get to go to all those stadiums, check things out, and we've got hockey, football, baseball, basketball, and we really want to get people back out and doing things in a safe way. And when we can sanitize in a repeated fashion, do that autonomously, it really gives people confidence that they can get out and do things safely.
That's great. We're proud the technology is coming out of Iowa. My last question for you, what does the future hold for your company?
We are ramping up dramatically. We're making sales as fast as we can. We're getting our technology out there. We're debuting a couple more autonomous systems. So we've got autonomous drones that fly themselves. In the next month, we'll roll out our autonomous loading system called a mix and fill. So when the drone lands, it'll automatically reload itself. We're bringing out our app. We're selling trailers, and the whole process is coming together really to do unmanned spraying in multiple industries, and we're really excited about that.
Well, Michael Ott, CEO of Rantizo, thanks so much for all you're doing for the Iowa technology community and the whole community at large. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a good one.